Hello everyone, in this review we'll be providing the top 5 Google certificates that can land you a remote job fast. So, remote work has become increasingly popular and certificates are crucial for standing out in a competitive job market. Google offers several professional certificates that can help you land a remote job quickly. These certificates are designed to equip you with in-demand skills that employers seek, making them a valuable investment for your career. Now, we've made this top 5 our top 5 because in your case, you might have your favorite. So feel free to pick any of the certificates based on your desired niche. We've put appropriate links in the description below so you can go ahead and start with one of the courses that we'll be talking about in this video. So let's begin. Starting at number 5, we have Google Project Management Professional Certificate. The duration is 6 months, and the skills covered are project management principles and tools. And when it comes to the job roles, you can look forward to working as a project manager. And when it comes to the salary potential, this varies from geographic location to another, so you'll need to check in your region. At number 4, we have Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate. The duration, 6 months, and the skills covered are SEO, Google Ads, and campaign management. The job roles include digital marketing strategist and social media marketing manager. The salary potential is between $60,000 to $80,000. And coming up in number 3, you have the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. And the duration is also 6 months. The skills covered are SQL, R, and digital analysis tools, among others. As for the job roles, you can work as a data analyst. The salary potential can start at $67,000 and moves upward from there. At number 2, you have Google UX Design Professional Certificate. Approximately 6 months also, and the skills covered are user experience design principles and tools, preparing you to work as a UX designer for your job role. And the salary potential is ranging between $75,000 to $100,000. Coming up at number 1, we have the Google IT Support Professional Certificate. The duration for learning this is 6 months, and the skills covered are IT fundamentals, troubleshooting, networking, and security. Job roles include help desk technician and system analysts. The salary potential is around $55,000 and $75,000. Now, what are the pros of these options? You get quick career entry. The certificates provided can be completed in a relatively short period of time, thus allowing you to enter the job market quickly. You have in-demand skills as a pro, as these learning paths provide skills that are highly sought after by employers in remote job markets. And when it comes to flexibility, courses are online, allowing you to study at your own pace. Career growth. They can lead to a higher paying role and career advancement. But on the flip side, with the cons, the cost, while affordable, can add up if you're on a tight budget. And it does require self-discipline, as this requires self-motivation to complete the courses without traditional classroom structure. In summary, Google certificates offer a fast track to acquiring in-demand skills for remote jobs. Whether you're interested in IT support, UX design, data analytics, digital marketing, or project management, these certificates can significantly boost your career prospects. So, are you ready to start your journey? Well, click on the link in the description to discover more information and see how you can go ahead and start one of these courses in order to get your certificate. So, which of these courses would you be taking? Let us know in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.